Hello everyone, just want to make a quick video on how to install a mailbox on your newly bought property. Well, actually it's been a year and I've been procrastinating. That's my campsite right there. But yeah, just finished installing this. Really easy. So the one I got is from Lowe's. It's called Home by Mailmaster Express Mailbox. So pretty much the whole thing cost me $60. And you gotta get this thing right here. This one's cheaper. That it's not pre-cut, but they don't cut it at Home Depot. I mean at Lowe's, so you gotta cut it yourself. Or you can buy a pre-made post. That cost me about $17. Kind of expensive for a beam, but this is what you want. You gotta dig a hole using a post hole digger right here. Post hole digger bar from Harbor Freight. Cost about 18 bucks, but this thing's heavy. It come handy in the long run. If you don't have a shovel, you gotta get a shovel as well. That's not 19 bucks. So you pretty much dig a hole. That's probably the hardest part. Give you a little bit of a workout. Up to 24 inches. So you dig a hole for 24 inches. And then you put the post in there. Get one of those concrete mix by Quickcrit right here. Fast setting Quickcrit if you don't have plenty of time. So put the post in there, put the concrete in there, put some water, mix it up, and then put it back in. This is especially important if your soil is really soft like mine does. Now you install this part right here, slide into the pole, and then slide the second part right here. Drill a hole, quarter inch, right here. 1, 2, 3. Of course, you gotta get your Milwaukee drill, M18, to drill that hole. And then get your stubby to make it real quick. Put everything back together, slide it in there so you won't go nowhere, and then drill a hole here. 2, 3, 4. Alternate rotation. 1 here and 1 at the back there. 1 here and 1 at the back. It will be straight. Kind of like when you tighten a lock nuts. And then that's it. And you just put a sticker in your address, which I was pretty disappointed because it doesn't come with it. So now to go back to Walmart, which is like 20 miles away, to get it, since you live in the middle of nowhere. Shout out to my neighbors. They're really helpful in watching my property. And there's not a neighbor there. They just haven't met yet. They just built a house except mine because I'm broke. A travel nurse life. And that's about it, folks. And this is just another view of my property. Right here, all the way through the other house. 9 acres. And of course, Levo and Eva just chilling right there. They're pissed off right now because they are not going anywhere. I want them to go outside the road. But anyway, that's about it. Thanks.